Hello, dear students. This is Wael Bashuri, the IGC math teacher. Within few minutes, I will help you to solve these three questions in math. So here we have three people. Each one is suggesting a method to find the greatest fraction among the three fractions. The three fractions are 3 over 7. So here you have 3 over 7. 3 over 7, and next one is 13 over 21, 13 over 21, and last one is 3 over 5 over 11. So 5 over 11. Now one of them is suggesting that he will make same numerators. This is wrong. Another one is suggesting that he will make same denominator. This is correct, but this method is difficult. The third one is suggesting that he will compare them to half, and this is the correct choice or the correct option. Now clearly I'm looking for the greatest fraction. So here half of 7 is 3.5. Clearly 3 is less than half of 7, so this fraction is less than half, so it's not the greatest. Now this fraction 5 over 11, 5 is less than half of 11. Half of 11 is 5.5, and 5 is less than 5.5, so this means this fraction is less than half. Now half of 21 is 10.5. 13 is greater than 10.5. 13 is greater than half of 21. This means this fraction is greater than half, okay, which means the answer here is 13 over 21. That is the greatest fraction. Next question here. Here you are given a bar model has been drawn above the number line. What is the value of each section of the bar model? So if you look here, you can easily notice that here you have 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divisions. So each one division will be, you divide the distance from here to here, which is 1. 1 by 10 is 1 over 10. Or you can say 0.1. So each one division is 1 over 10. And you notice that section A has taken 2 divisions. So 1 over 10 times 2, you get 2 over 10, and this is 1 over 5. So section A is 1 over 5. We write it here. Section A is 1 over 5, so let's write it here, 1 over 5. Now section B has taken how many divisions? Let's count it. Section B has taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divisions, and each division is 1 over 10. So you need to multiply 6 times 1 over 10. And this will be 6 over 10 or 3 over 5 after simplification. And you do the same thing with the rest of the sections. So section B is 3 over 5. Now, what about last section? If you look here, last section is a little bit difficult. Last section E has taken how many division? It's very clear. It has taken half division. And we said that one division is 1 over 10. So section E has taken half division. So let me now multiply half times 1 over 10. And this will be 1 over 20. So section A is 1 over 20. Section E, last section here, is 1 over 20. Now to move to next question here. The difference between A and B is 3. What are the values of A and B? Also, you need to find the division distance. The whole of this distance is given to you. The whole of this distance is 3. And how many divisions do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 divisions. So if you divide 3 by 9 division, you get 1 over 3. So each one division is supposed to be 1 over 3. Now we know a single division. We can easily calculate the values of A and B. So here, each one division, as we said, is 1 over 3. Now, if you go from the left of 0 to if you start from 0 here to the left, so if you move this way, this is minus 1/3, another 1/3, another 1/3, another 1/3. So you have minus 1/3, minus 2/3, minus 3/3, minus 4/3. So here you have minus 4 over 3. And if you go to the right, 1/3, then 1/3, then 1/3, then 1/3, then 1/3. How many 1/3? We have 5 over 3. So here you have 5/3, or 5 times 1/3. 5 times 1/3 is 5 over 3. So here the value of B is 5 over 3. So this is B and this is A. To check your answer, you have to subtract 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3. You get 9 over 3, which is 3, and it makes sense. Last question now. Here, Dora and Tammy are completing a 2 kilometers race. The number line shows how far they have run so far. So also you need to find the smallest division. Since here you have 1 kilometer and you have 10 divisions, so each one division will be 1 over 10. So if you count here, 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, 4 over 10, 5 over 10, 6 over 10. So here, Tammy has completed 6 over 10. Now, what about Dora? You do the same thing. If you continue, here you have 1 kilometer. So here you have 1 and 1 over 10, which means 1.1. Here's 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and here you get 1.4. So Dora has completed 1.4, and Tammy has completed 6 over 10, and 6 over 10 is 0.6 kilometers. So Tammy has completed 0.6 kilometers, and Dora has completed 1.4 kilometers. Let's see next question now. How much further do they each need to run? Okay, Dora has completed 1.4 out of 2. So how much further does she need? You subtract 2 minus 1.4. And 2 minus 1.4 is 0.6 kilometers. So Dora needs 0.6 kilometers to complete her run. What about Tammy? You do the same thing. You subtract 2 minus what Tammy has completed is 0.6. So 0.6. So you get 1.4. So Tammy needs to 1.4 kilometers to continue the race. Now, last question. Yuan has completed 1350 out of 2000 of the race. Label the number line to show how far Yuan has run so far. So here you have to know of the race means times 2 kilometers. So if you multiply 1350 by 2, you can cancel 2 and 1 and 2000, and here you get 1350 divided by 1000, and this will be this will be 1.350, and 1.350 is which option here? Clearly it's not this option. It is because 4 over 5 is less than 1 and our answer is greater than 1. So we cannot choose this option or this option. Now what about other options? Now here we can choose either this option or this option. Let's see which one is more logical. Now 1 and 2 over 5, this means 1 and 4 over 10, and this is 1.4. Clearly our answer is not 1.4, so the option is to be chosen is this option. It's exactly in the mid distance between 1 and 3 over 10 and 1 and 4 over 10. Now to check that, you can analyze this amount. 1 and 3 over 10, you can write it 1.3, and 1 and 4 over 10, you can write it 1.4. And to compare it to our choice, you can add 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here. You can directly realize that this number is exactly between these two numbers. So you have to plot it on the number line. It's between 1.3 and 1.4 exactly. So where is this? Here you have 1, and here you have 1.3, and here you have 1.4. So exactly between them will be in this position. Exactly between both of them. Between 1.3 and 1.4. Thank you.